Hello students, in our previous videos we have discussed about Thales theorem and we solved the problems regarding to it. In today's video we will see the criteria for similarity of a triangles. So first one is a AAA, that is angle angle angle, criteria for similarity of two triangles. So what is that? If two triangles, if in a two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio and hence two triangles are similar. So given is in two triangles corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal is given, and if it is equal then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. This you have to prove. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So if corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then by converse of the Thales theorem you can say that those two triangles are similar. Hence two triangles are similar. So what is given? Given two triangles ABC and DEF such that A is equal to D, B is equal to E and C is equal to F. So I have taken two triangles ABC and DEF such that A is equal to D, B is equal to E and C is equal to F. Correct? So what you have to prove? You have to prove these two triangles are similar when corresponding angles are equal. So before that, if we prove their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then we can say it is a similar. Right? Corresponding sides in the sense AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. So if we show any two ratios are equal, then similarly we can say the other is also equal. Okay, so we will prove this first, then we can say it is a similar triangle. So what is the construction? Construct, draw PQ on DE and DF such that DP is equal to AB, DQ is equal to AQ, join PQ. So what you have to draw? You have to draw PQ. So this is your construction PQ such that AB is equal to DP. These two sides are equal. Okay. DQ is equal to AC. These two sides are equal. So you have to construct such a line. Okay. So next proof part. See, I have taken these two triangles ABC and DPQ. Okay. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Okay, these two sides are equal. AB is equal to DP, right? AB is equal to DP by construction, right? AB is equal to DP. Angle A is equal to angle D. Why? It is given here, right? Given. Next, AC is equal to side DQ. AC is equal to DQ again by construction. Again by construction. Now you can observe that side angle side is equal to side angle side of another triangle. So corresponding side angle side are equal. So we can say that those two triangles are congruent. That means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Which congruency? Side angle side congruency. Correct? Next. So once these two triangles are congruent, you can say that corresponding parts of the congruence triangles are equal. So corresponding parts, I will take it as a B and P. Angle B is equal to angle P. by corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. B is equal to P since they are congruent. Okay. So B is equal to P you have taken, and you know that B is also equal to E. These two angles are equal. B is also equal to angle E. So by these two, what we can conclude? P is equal to E, correct? P is equal to E by these two. So that means these two angles are equal. So observe here, when it is equal, when you can say these two angles are equal, so you can observe PQ, line PQ and EF. This DE is transversal for line PQ and EF, and corresponding angles are equal. P is equal to Q. So in such case, PQ and EF is a parallel. When DE is a transversal for PQ and EF and corresponding angles are equal, these two are corresponding angles are equal, then these two lines PQ and EF are parallel. Therefore, PQ is parallel to EF. PQ is parallel to EF. Now, when PQ is parallel to EF, you know that by Thales theorem, then this PQ divides other two sides in the same ratio. In the same ratio, that is dP by PE is equal to dQ by QF. dP by PE is equal to dQ by QF. Other two sides divides in the same ratio. So, take the reciprocal dq. Add both side 1. Add both side 1. Then dp is equal to pe plus dp is equal to dq qf plus dq. Correct? So pe plus dp. PE plus DP is nothing but DE, correct? PE plus DP is nothing but DE, and QF plus DQ. QF plus DQ is nothing but DF divided by DP divided by DQ. I'll write as it is. Okay. Next you see what is DE. DE by DP is equal to DF by DQ. What is DP? DP is nothing but AB by your construction, right? So I'll write this as a DE by DP is nothing but AB by your construction, right? Is equal to, what is PQ? Sorry, what is DQ? What is DQ? DQ is nothing but AC. So DF by AC by your construction, right? So DE by AB, or this I can also write it as AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, right? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. I am taking the reciprocal. So that means AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. That we proved here. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Similarly, we can prove these two in a similar way. Okay. Okay. Similarly, I will write. Similarly, I can write. Similarly, I can write AB is divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF is equal to BC divided by EF. So this you needed to prove. So hence you can say that triangle ABC. Hence you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. ABC is similar to triangle DEF because corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then the triangle are equal. Triangles are equal. Okay, understood this? So you have to learn this criteria, proof of this criteria, and homework is you have to write it once. Okay, you have to write this criteria, proof of this criteria once in your book, notebook. Okay, thank you.